how many hours were you spending studying? Because I'm assuming at the time you must have had your job as well. So what's a good number of hours to spend for those 2 months? That's one is, going about preparing.
as a full time employee at Dell. So that time it was a bit difficult to manage studies with a full-time job. So what I really used to do was that after my work hours, I used to put in 3 to 4 hours to study every day.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I mean, you have to really take that kind of pain if you really want that
Yeah.
score.
Mhm.
And during Saturdays and Sundays, I used to stretch even a bit more because weekends were off. So that is how I used to do. I would say consistency is the key, honestly. Not
Mhm.
every day you will be able to put in 3 to 4 hours. Some days it will be 2 hours, some days it will be 1 hour, some days it will be more than that. But you really don't have to lose your contact with the material. You have to see
So
the verbal and vocab every day.
absolutely. And yeah, I can relate to that in terms of I went about it in a similar way. I was also employed when I was preparing. What I'm trying to get at, Unnati, is what is that golden number of hours that we can maybe come to together to recommend to students that if you put in these number of really dedicated focused hours, you will likely be good for the GRE. So you said you're doing 3 to 4 hours on the weekdays, so for 2 months. So that would be, let's do some, I guess, quick math here. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 times, let's say, 4 is 160. And then you said how many every weekend?
5 to 6 hours, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Let's just take five, and there's 8 weekend days, so 40. So you're saying a total of 200 hours, give or take, would be closed for somebody to start feeling comfortable in for the GRE. Is that right or not
I
really?
think I think it really depends on where at which stage you are. So I
I see.
really recommend my friends and peers also who had asked me for tips for the exam that before even starting preparing for the exam, just take a mock test, see where you stand. Right.
Hmm.
So you
I love
just do
that.
not yeah, you do not start preparing for the exam just on day zero. You take an exam, you see where you stand, you analyze your score, where you really need to work hard. I think my verbal, I thought that, at one point of time, I was feeling it was getting diluted. So, I wasn't able to score a bit more than that. So I had to put in a bit more
Hmm.
efforts than that. Quant was pretty decent for me, but it can be different for, different people. So you really need to analyze your test scores that way and see where you stand, how much hours do you need to put in. So it depends for every person.